Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Amazon merch designs and assets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your Amazon merch designs and assets in one location. Create a dedicated folder on your computer specifically for your Amazon merch content. Open your design software, such as Adobe Illustrator or Photoshop. Export each design in high resolution, preferably in PNG format. Save these exported files into the dedicated folder you created earlier. Next, locate any additional assets, such as logos or graphics, that you use in your designs. Copy these assets into the same folder, ensuring everything is organized. To further secure your designs, consider creating a backup on an external hard drive. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Drag and drop the entire folder containing your designs and assets onto the external hard drive. Alternatively, use cloud storage services like Google Drive or Dropbox for backup. Simply upload the folder from your computer to your chosen cloud storage. Ensure that the upload is complete and all files are accessible. For extra protection, consider compressing the folder into a zip file before backing it up. This will save space and keep everything together. Label the backup folder clearly with the current date for future reference. Regularly update your backups whenever you create new designs or make changes. Establish a routine for backing up your designs to prevent data loss in the future. By following these steps, you can protect your Amazon merch designs and assets effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.